Student, today I'm going to demonstrate about these activities. You're going to make a kind of a presentation about Asian country. Okay, so in the presentation you have to put charts, hyperlinks, internal and external tables, animation, picture or text animation. So let's go. We're going to dive deeper about this. Okay, please take a look and full attention. Stay with me. Okay. Alright, so this is kind of the sample of the Asian countries. I believe you know already how to make a new PowerPoint, right? So this is the content, and this is on this is same sample only. This is the numbers, the info is not real. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, first slide. Okay, in the slide number one is the title, followed by your name in your class. So the title is this Asian countries, and your name, your class, you write by yourself. Then is the first title, and then don't care about this decoration, the backgrounds, animation, or whatever first. So just do the content first. Remember that, do the content first. It's very important. And then I put in the second slide, I put the list of the countries, okay, in a different way, in two ways. Which is number one, I put that one through this bullet list, okay, bulleted list, and second way I put in the country. Okay, this is not yet complete. You can complete by yourself later. Okay, so this is only a sample. Sometimes some of you asking, right, so what can what we use for the table. Okay, you can use a table for the list like this. This is the same for the table, or maybe other thing later. Okay, so this is one example of table use table for the country. Okay, maybe you can put the flag. Okay, Indonesia, Singapore, maybe with flag, and then below is the name of the country. Okay, so that's the thing, one sample. And then so the thing is, when you click for example one country here, it will goes to the particular country. Let's take a look this one. Let me start share first. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the second slide, right? So when I click for example Indonesia, okay, it will go to the page of Indonesia, go to the slide of Indonesia. Okay, so in that slide there is a what a chart. Okay, first of all, again remember, yeah, I don't say this is the real number, this is fake number, yeah. Okay, so this is the chart. Okay, and this is the table that you can use the table for. Okay, and here I put a list there. Okay, I put a list which is a button, sorry, it's a button. Now the button is used to go back to the list. Okay, for example, when I click this, it goes to this one again. Okay, I click Indonesia again. Okay, now this the when you go back to the list, this is hyperlink. Okay, internal hyperlink, because it go back to the internal slide or page. Okay, so that's the thing. And there is also another thing. I put here source investigation, which means this will be going to external sources, right? It will go to, like, if you see there's a clue there, yeah, it will go to investasian.asian.org. Okay, again, this is only a simple. You may use your own preference, what website you want to use in that external. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how to do this. Number one is the link, internal and external, also the charts and table. Okay, here I have a slide number 2 is empty. I will put, for example, one of the country which is not listed here is, for example, is what? Cambodia. Okay, Cambodia example. Okay, and this Cambodia is under Asian country, right? You may put here or you may put here. It's up to you, yeah. Okay, and when we click this Cambodia, it will go to this slide. This one we have put the title here, Cambodia, like this. then okay, let's do it. That's it. We block this link, okay, Cambodia, and then you may see there are two ways. Number one, you can right click and then choose hyperlink here. Here we go here. Okay, remember there's a three option: web page, this document, email address. Choose this document. This document means internal. Okay, and then you click the slide title. Okay, and then find the number 3 Cambodia. That's it. Okay, click OK. That's it. So when you click this Cambodia, okay, this text, it will goes to Cambodia. Okay, let's try. Yeah, let's play from the start. Okay, this is Cambodia. We will click this one together. 1, 2, 3. See, it was to Cambodia. That's the thing. Okay, so but from there we don't have the button yet to go back to the main list. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, so in this slide, Cambodia slide, okay, we are going to put internal link again. You can choose insert, for example, and then put shape, for example. Then you can use any shape you want. It's free. Okay, and then after that you can right click, and then you will see edit text. Okay, in edit text there you can type, for example, okay, right click, yeah, right click, remember, and then edit text, and then you can type there back to the list, for example, yeah, the main list. Okay, up to you the name, whatever. Okay, this is on the sample. Okay, back to the list. So when we click this one, it will go back to the main list. Okay, so this is after you do this one, right click, we are going to make hyperlink. Same thing, go to this document and then slides, and then you can choose slide number 2 here, which is list of Asian country. Right, that's the title. Click OK. Okay, again, about the decoration, up to you. You are free to do whatever design. Okay, let's try again. I will slideshow, play from start. Okay, when I click Cambodia, this is the Cambodia. You can put any information there, and click back to the when I click this back to the list, you go back here. All right, back to the list. This is the main list. Okay, so other country also have. Okay, and so on. Okay, so that is the what the link, yeah, hyperlink, internal link. Okay, so about the external link. Okay, so first of all you have to find out what information you want. Okay, what information you want. You go to the website. Simple, let me try. Okay, example, I'm going to go find an Asian country. Cambodia, for example, yeah. Okay, for example, like this, yeah. I choose this one. So wait, it's running, it's loading. Okay, for example, like this, there is the information, blah blah blah, yeah. And this is example of the table. You use table, yeah, like this. Okay, sample of table is good. Okay, so we are going to, when we click the link, yeah, external link, it will goes to this website for the Cambodia countries. So you see there's a URL here, infosession.asian.org, blah 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 blah. Okay, you copy this one. Okay, you can right click, copy, or you can just type Ctrl C. Okay, after you copy, you go back to your PowerPoint. Okay, you can put, for example, I'll just put a text box. Okay, if you want to make a table, not table, a box like the button like this, so fine. Okay, you can put, for example, external source. Okay, you may type, for example, click here for example, more information. Okay, example like this. Yeah, this is outside. Yeah, going to outside. Okay, so we block. I will change the uh, font style first. It's up to you, the font style over the font style. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, like this. Then when we click this one, remember you click the frame. Yeah, not the text like this, but the frame. You want to click like this. That means when you click here, but when you click the when you choose the frame, yeah, the border, it will click the anywhere in the border. Okay, so you right click this one, you can right click and hyperlink, or second way you can click insert also. Okay, click this one for say the frame, insert, there is a link. Okay, which is means hyperlink, same. Okay, same, right? Like paste, comment, same, right? So there are two ways. And then for this one external link, you go to this web page of file. You see there's an address. Okay, you right click and paste, or you can type Ctrl V from the keyboard like this. You click OK. Done. So if let's try. If you click that link, Cambodia. Okay, yeah. See you see the icon, the mouse icon also changed. Right, this is normal. This is the finger, which means it will when you click this one, it will go to that link. See, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so there is hyperlink internal and the external link. That's clear, yeah? Okay, and the second things is about table. Okay, for example, in this Cambodia, this page, this slide, you are going to to put the chart, table, up to you. Okay, I don't ask you to make a table in every charts, but if you want to, this is also fine. Okay, so for example, you're going to make a table. It's simple. You just click insert table. How many table, column and what column and row, up to you. Simple like this. Or you can click this one also. This is the grid line. Yeah, grid line. This is the option insert table. How many numbers, how many column. Okay. For example, there's a 2 column, and for example, this is a 5 rows. That will be like this. Yeah, 2 column and 5 row. You can arrange, okay, by yourself about this. Okay, up to you what you want to use the table for. Okay, and you will see there is a template for the table design. If you don't like this the table like the design, you may choose others. Example, I will choose like this. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so what you're going to use the table for is up to you. It's free. For example, you may choose capital, for example, information. I don't like the font style here. I will change, I mean the font type. I will change to Times New Roman. Okay, for example, capital what, and then currency what you can type here, and what else. Okay, you may see from this one, right? Capital, Phnom Penh. Is there any information about currency? If not, then you have to find the website. Okay, population, for example, how many this one, and so on. Okay, you may uh, complete this. Yeah, this is one of the things. All right, so this is a simple. This is the table already. You can put a table, okay, like this. And if you want to add a graph, okay, this is the way how you add a graph. Okay, I will show you something. I will open what Microsoft Excel. Okay, you're talking about, for example, the population, the sample kind of chart. Yeah. Okay, so for example, we can put here as what total, and this is the sorry, this is gender example, male, female example, and this is the total. Okay, example, the total here is 100, and the female example is 80. Okay, this is a fake number here. Okay, again fake numbers. Okay, so once you get the information, this one, okay, you type, remember this must be a numbers, not a text. Okay, so if you say, so for example, you 100 million, so you put the 100 123 like this. You cannot type, like example, 100 dot or dot again like this. This is not number. Okay, this is not, you have to remember this. Yeah, you have to put exactly 100 without anything, without comma, without dot. Okay, 100 like this. If you want to put a comma later, this is the formatting. Okay, you click, this is the comma style. Okay, for example, when you click block here, how many decimal point you can add. Example, see this one, we can add, for example, the numbers here is 100 something. Yeah, you can put there, this is comma, right? So 100 comma 20 for example, and this is 80.50 example. So 80 comma 50, the example like this. Okay, must be the what this one, the formatting. Okay, so once you got this number, okay, you block this. Okay, the male and the female, and then the simple way, you click insert and then chart. Okay, there are many charts type there. Let me see. We can choose the simple chart 3D, for example. You see this one? Yeah, male and female. Okay, then you can see there's also the model or the template given. Okay, you may explore by yourself about this. And about the chart title, simple, you can just double click and then you can type total, the title here of the chart. It's simple like that. Okay, and if you want to know the number, I mean, we want to display the number as well. Yeah, you just find this what the information about the model. Okay, if not shown, simple, you can see simple from here. Quick layout. Yeah, under quick layout, you will see some model that you can find the numbers. For example, this one. Yeah, let's see if you see. If I make it bigger, I cannot see. Okay, I will change different one. This one. Wait, yeah. What's the number? Usually we have a number there. This is how you, if you want to change. Uh, there is the number usually. Let me check. Okay, that's fine. Okay, for the time being, use this one first. Okay, this service you just click and then delete, press delete button. That's it. Okay. From here, you copy, right? You copy this one, click the frame, hit the border, and then right click, and then type copy. And then from there, you go back to your PowerPoint, and then click here, then you paste it somewhere around here. Okay, you will see the paste here. This is the thing. Why become red? Yeah, because it follow this the template of this slide. Okay, remember, because you have only one slide, one country, okay, one sound country, you have to manage the size. Okay, you manage the layout. Okay, like this. Okay, simple. Okay, then you can add, yeah, more information about whatever, like, yeah, food, traditional food, or traditional or interesting places to visit, and so on. Okay, so you learn about how to chart, make a chart, what the table, and also the link, hyperlink. The next thing is about the animation. Okay, for the animation, for example, you want to make a chart, the chart to be animated. This can, yeah, we can click the chart, and then there is animation option here, the menu bar. Okay, you can choose any animation you want. Okay, click animation. For example, yeah, you can see, yes, for example, you can choose this one. Okay, so when we test it, this is animation. Yeah, so I would say it's a text, not text, a picture animation. Okay, same thing if you want to put the picture animation. Example, yeah, for example, you put insert text here. Okay, insert text box here. Then you can click here, for example, text, and then for example, any information, capital, currency, okay, population, uh, traditional food, and so on. Okay, so again, I don't like the font type. I will change it first to Times New Roman. Yeah. Okay, okay. Now you can make the text, same thing for the text. Example, you want to make a text animation, text animation. Click here the text, and then same go to animation, and then choose which one do you want. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, or whatever you want. Okay, there's animation. Um, that's it. And I think one more is about the slide transition. What is transition? Transition is when the slide, when the I mean, when the PowerPoint goes to a particular slide, it does not go directly. It does not go directly to the particular slide, but it will have a kind of transition. Okay, transition around 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, for example, here it is a slide number 1. Okay, slide number 1 here. Okay, I will put a transition here. Okay, for example, like this. For transition, for example, this like this, like this, yeah. So transition is, it happens before it goes to particular slide. Okay, if I want to make also transition in this slide, also can. I would choose another one, for example this one. Okay, so it's kind of like this. Okay, Cambodia, for example, like this. Okay, right, let me see. It's cute, right? So let's see from beginning. Okay, play from start. Okay, see how there's animation, the transition. Then show the slide one. This is the slide to the, okay, Cambodia. Yeah, like that. Okay, back to this slide one, slide two, yeah, the menu. Okay, cute, huh? Cambodia not yet shown the, okay, there is a what, there is a this one, the chart, yeah, animation, also the text, like this. Okay, class, I think that's it, the tutorial about this PowerPoint and how you do this activity. Okay, so if you have more question later on, you can ask during the lesson. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thank you, everyone.